Hey guys, so today I am unboxing the Nike Roshe 1 dark blue color. Ordered it straight from Nike.com and was not too impressed with the shipping because it took 1 day longer than it was supposed to, and after a few complaints they finally sent it. So you can see here the box is all crumpled up. So alright. So the box in here is a little crumpled up. I'll show you guys in a second. Alright. So the box was a little open when I unloaded it, I guess. 11.5 Nike Roshe 1. The exact colorway is midnight navy, black, white. So yeah, retails at $75. Okay. Turn the box this way. So here they are. It's a nice shoe. Looks nice. And that's about it. Thanks for watching.